Welcome back to Better Avec Bourbon. Today we have 4 delightful champagne cocktails to celebrate the new year. The Carlton Banks, French 75, the classic champagne cocktail, and the Kir Royale, a sparkling version of the classic Kir cocktail. Before doing anything, make sure you have clean, chilled glassware ready. I don't own champagne flutes, but I have these lovely cognac and coupe glasses. You can put them in the fridge ahead of time, put some ice in each glass while you make the drinks, or a combination of both to accelerate the process. A few cubes in each should work. Now that we have our glassware sorted, let's open our sparkling wine and make some champagne cocktails. Let's start with choosing our sparkling. For our champagne substitute, we have Veuve Ambal, Cremant de Bourgogne, Grande Cuvee Brut. Cremants are great alternatives to its more expensive cousin, champagne. Start by unwrapping the bib, and then taking off the metal clasp. Next, open it the proper way, point it away from yourself, grab the cork well, and begin slowly twisting the base to reduce the massive pop, but if you want the pop, ignore the previous steps. Once opened, get a drinking partner, a pair of chilled coupes, and fill the glasses for a test. It has a nice golden hue to it, not too light in color. Upon tasting, it has a nice crisp pear and apple flavor without being too sweet, which is why we prefer Bruts. Once satisfied, let's move on to the ingredients of our first cocktail, Carlton Banks. You'll need your Brut, cognac or brandy, sweet cherry liqueur that's not maraschino, Angostura Bitters, and alcohol-based orange bitters. Difford's recipe calls for Bokers, not Angostura orange bitters, and Heering cherry liqueur, but I have these on hand and it tasted great. Gather up your ingredients, grab your bar mat, shake your tin, and add 2 dashes orange bitters, followed by 2 dashes Angostura Bitters. Then grab your go-to jigger and measure an ounce of cherry liqueur. Add it to your tin. Measure 1 ounce cognac. Add it to your tin. Then add a scoop of ice, seal your tin, and shake it for 10 to 12 seconds. Grab your chilled coupe and strain in your cocktail. Then top with your sparkling wine. Grab your garnishes you prepared, a few lemon peels, an orange peel, and a cocktail pick with 3 cherries on it. For the Carlton Banks, we'll use the orange peel. Attempt to make an orange twist. Then set your cocktail aside, garnishes aside. If you also have a weak garnish game, feel free to get mini clothespins and just pin your peel to the side of the glass like so. And there you have the Carlton Banks. Now for the French 75. For ingredients, sparkling wine, London dry gin, lemon juice, and simple syrup. I prefer using 2-to-1 rich simple syrup as it lasts longer than 1-to-1 and provides a better texture. Once ready, grab a clean shaker tin, go to jigger, and measure a 1/4 ounce of rich simple syrup. Add it to your tin. A 1/2 ounce lemon juice. Add it to your tin. And 1 ounce London dry gin. Add it to your tin. Grab a scoop of ice and shake it for 10 to 12 seconds. Then grab your chilled coupe or champagne flute, strain your cocktail, and then top with sparkling. For the garnish, grab another mini clothespin, lemon peel, and clip the peel to the side of the glass. And there you have the French 75. Moving on to the classic champagne cocktail, for ingredients you'll need Angostura Bitters, cognac, a sugar cube, or a bar spoon of white granulated sugar, and sparkling. When ready, grab your chilled flute or preferred fancy glass, white sugar, and add a cube or a bar spoon to your glass. Followed by 3 dashes of Angostura Bitters, and top with a little sparkling. Grab your jigger once more, measure an ounce of cognac, and add it to your glass. Collecting any stray drops. Give this a quick stir to incorporate the mixture, and so the sugar and bitters don't settle. Then carefully top with sparkling. Top further with sparkling until you've reached an appropriate fill level. And lastly, the 2-ingredient cocktail, Kir Royale. It's really more of a mixed drink given it's only 2 ingredients. You'll need your sparkling wine and creme de cassis, a black currant liqueur. Grab your chilled coupe, go to jigger, and measure a ½ ounce of creme de cassis, and then add an ounce or 2 of sparkling to your glass. Before adding your creme de cassis. And then top with sparkling before giving it a gentle stir so the creme de cassis doesn't settle. Top further with sparkling until you've reached an appropriate fill level. Then prepare your final garnish. Traditionally you'd use a blackberry, but I've got maraschino cherries on hand, so that's what we'll use. Add 3 to a pick, and then add it to your glass. And there you have the Kir Royale. Now let's get the cocktails back together in order of sweetness, with Kir Royale as our sweetest. Delightful blend of blackcurrant and sparkling, it's fruity without being too sweet, a household favorite. The French 75, the ultimate sparkling cocktail. It's a Tom Collins with some regality, thanks to the dry sparkling. The Carlton Banks, a well-balanced champagne cocktail, some tartness from the bitters, the brandy and cherry liqueur blend adds some proof and sweetness, and the champagne brings it all together for something not bitter, not sweet, but just right. And lastly, the champagne cocktail. You taste the cognac, you get the Angostura, but it's not overpowering thanks to the bubbly sweetness from the dry sparkling. Refreshing and not too sweet. Great for those who like a drier cocktail. Thanks everyone for watching. I wish you a happy new year. Do you have a favorite champagne cocktail? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, press subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.